Hello friends, let's create this band wipe text effect. And let's get right into it. What I did here to prepare, I dropped a text, the beach, on the timeline, and the only thing I did to the text itself was adding a drop shadow. What I want to do now is I want to add a video transition on the text itself rather than on the video. And therefore I go to the effects library, go to the video transitions, and in the wipe department I choose the band wipe, and I put one at the beginning and at the end of our text. Close the effects library. I will go and drag this a little bit out to make it more slow and smooth and more attractive. Then I'm going to click on the first one, and then in the ease option here I choose for ease out, and for the second one I choose for ease in. This sounds a little bit counterintuitive because we want to have ease in and ease out effect with this, and what we have to understand is that here at the beginning, if you choose out, it means this transition starts faster than it ends. The same is true in this case. It starts smoother and goes faster at the end. So the only thing I do here is actually going to the band wipe and play a little bit around with the feather. You can also go and add borders, and when you go and take the feather away, you will see that there are these broad borders, but you can play here with the border and feather it, experiment with the preset, the horizontal. I choose the horizontal, and this is pretty much it. I hope you have fun with this and see you next time. Goodbye.